You will no longer be a small YouTube channel after watching this video, guaranteed. All it takes is one video, my friend. Let me show you with proof. Just over a year ago, this YouTube channel had about 15,000 subscribers. It was a slow moving train. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get to 460,000 subscribers so that you can replicate that process. Let's go to videos, sort by here on the right-hand side, most popular. It was this one video right here 2 years ago at 3.9 million views that blew up my channel. You may have heard of that snowball effect. Yep, this was the video that put the gas in the car. This video alone gained me almost 80,000 subscribers, $46,000 for one video, 4 million views, and look at all that watch time. But it didn't start out that fast right away, as you can see right here. From April to about July, it seemed to have flatlined. Where is my top traffic source? YouTube search, 21.5%. Pay attention to this very carefully so that you can replicate it. Number one, know your space right here. What space are you in? I'm in the cleaning space for this particular YouTube channel. Why did I choose the cleaning space? One, I'm obsessed with cleaning naturally. Two, I knew a lot of people also love cleaning. When a lot of people like a certain topic, you can grow faster as well, but you gotta love it. Number two, you need to know your audience. But how do you know your audience? I did this a very non-traditional way. I reverse engineered my audience. I found a pre-existing video on YouTube that was performing very well. It was not a cleaning hack dedicated YouTube channel. And I thought to myself, what if I created an entire channel dedicated to cleaning hacks? No one else had done this, but it was inspired by this one video. I like to call this your golden nugget. So I knew my space, and then I found my audience based on a highly viewed video. Cleaning hack channels at the time were teaching based. Melissa Maker from Clean My Space. But I thought, what if I can add a piece of entertainment combined with teaching? When you combine two ideas, explosion. There is a book that I want you to read. It is linked in the description box below. You can see I purchased this, The Law of Success by Napoleon Hill. Get through the first 2 chapters and your mind will be blown. The next thing, 80-20. No, I'm not talking about Pareto's principle. You are going to research 80% of your time and record about 20% of your time. Yes, you are going to spend the majority of your time researching. Let me give you a sneak peek here. Fitness research, cleaning hack research, YouTube how-to guide research, my meditation channel research, shifting research, ab workout research, Tabata-based research. Those are all my Google Docs with research. However, I don't want you to have any analysis by paralysis. Set a schedule for yourself. Are you uploading 3 times a week, 2 times a week, every single day? You decide. Last but not least, once you have found your golden ticket video, you are going to dominate those keywords. Here's an extension by vidIQ. I'm going to link this in the description box below. I highly, highly recommend it. But you can see here, I'm one of the top channels for this search term. Once you become a top channel for a search term, you can move on to your next search term. And within the toilet audience, you build another audience. So for example, hydrogen peroxide cleaning hacks. You can see right here, I am the top search term for this. And this is how you build your audience and grow faster than you thought possible. Oh, and make some money with your efforts, because that's the goal, to help a bunch of people and be reimbursed for your efforts. So click this video on screen now, 6 proven ways to make money with your YouTube efforts, linked in the description box below as well. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.